Welcome. This is Jamb year 2013 government pass question. Question number 9 says, rule adjudication is a primary function of the dash. Rule adjudication is a primary function of the dash. That is, which organ of government perform the function of rule adjudication. So option A say legislature, B say judiciary, C say executive, D say government. And when we talk of rule adjudication, means interpretation of the law, and by a simple definition, the judiciary interprets the law or adjudicates the law. So option B is correct. Thank you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.